Each of us have made a decision as to how we're going to live our lives. We have all had that moment where we looked at ourselves in the mirror and said, for instance, I'm going to be a good father and husband or wife and mother. We decided to make a stand and work every day to keep that stand. Today we're dealing with a political system in Bradley County where too many of our leaders have not taken that moment in front of the mirror and took their stand. They may have run for office with the great intentions of changing the system, but my friends, they let the system change them. Living by a set of principles was instilled in me at a very young age. While in school, my music director, Danny Coggin, who, if I might add, is one of the best educators Bradley County has ever had, did what he called the word of the day. Every day he would write a new word on the board and teach us a lesson as to how and why we should apply it to our lives. Words like audacity, fortitude, integrity. When Mr. Coggin talked, I listened, and more importantly, I heard. Now, I believe Mr. Coggin was really hoping I would pursue music, but the stubborn person that I am passed up many scholarships to instead pursue business. But the lessons he taught, I learned more about keeping my life in tune than I did my instrument. When I joined the Army, living by principles is a way of life. You are reminded every second of every day of the 7 core values of the Army: loyalty, duty, respect, selfless service, honor, integrity, and personal courage. During this campaign and when I take office, every decision I make will be based on my personal principles. Principles that guide me and sustain me every day. Principles that have gotten me through the best and worst of times, and that will continue to carry me on. My training and my personal commitment, not to mention my downright stubbornness, will strengthen me during times of trial. When my character is challenged, I commit to you that I will not follow my predecessors and waver. When my principles are put to the test, I commit to you that I will stand fast with faith and conviction. And most of all, I promise to each and every resident of Bradley County, regardless of age, race, sex, marital status, religion, or political affiliation, that no matter how daunting or difficult, no matter how trying or unpopular something may be, if it is right for you and our neighbors, I will stand by my principles and stand up for you.